It's Saturday, hope you're having a good weekend so far, and at Tonic Studios we've got the next day in our cyber sale week. Now I'm going to be revealing to you now what we've got available, and there's more amazing discounts to come. First up, we have the mini and large stamping blocks, perfect for creating clearly detailed stamped images, and they're available on the store at 60% off. We got a dazzling sparkle dust bundle for you, 10 of these super fine glitters available at 70% off. Our card bundle today is 11 packs of our speciality card from Craft Perfect. There's 70% off, and that's 55 sheets altogether. And finally, we've got a 70% off the Wings and Things bundle. You get 5 sets of butterflies and lovely garden-inspired creatures. They're available for you, as I've said, at 70% off on the store this weekend. And there you go. That's the start of your weekend's cyber deals at Tonic Studios. Join me tomorrow on Sunday for more deals and more amazing bargains on the store.